Hey there, just a couple minutes here to explain how these checklists work. This is for all my students. This happens to be the 8th grade checklist for week 2, but the same rule applies for the 7th graders too. On the left-hand side, you'll find what you're supposed to do for Monday. Some of the stuff looks like a lot. I'm just explaining it. Nothing in here should take you more than a half hour, maybe 40 minutes. So just do this checklist for the 8th graders. If you can print the notes found in the classwork tab, do so. It makes your life easier. Once you've done that, watch the video and fill out the notes. At the end of the video, you'll find instructions for your assignment, and then you fill out Google Form 5-2. On the right side, you have your materials. So here are the notes that you're supposed to do. Here's the video for the notes, and this is telling you where to find your Google form. Okay, so these look like a lot of information. It's just explaining things more. Down here, you're supposed to research some boycott possibilities and then make a Flipgrid video. This is just instructions on how to do the research. And down here is a video to help you understand what's going on. Okay, so over here is what you need to do this. This is your daily checklist. Again, 30 to 40 minutes is all we're looking for. I'll do my best to keep my videos around 10 minutes. Sometimes it goes a little over, sometimes it's a little under, but that's included in the 30 to 40 minutes. So 10 minutes of my video, 20 to 30 minutes of work, and you should be done every day. So here's what you do. Use it like a checklist. Here's anything you need to do it. At the end of the week, you'll find a list of things that you were supposed to have turned in this week. So on Friday when you're done, make sure you've done all these things, and then high-five yourself and walk away happy. Okay. As always, email me with any questions that you have. This is obviously the 8th grade list, but 7th graders, it's the exact same thing, just a different list. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.